And welcome back to Nibble Pibbly. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on the Flirc, F-L-I-R-C, Flirc Raspberry Pi 4 case. Before I start, I bought this myself. I didn't. It hasn't been provided to me. I haven't received any money or anything for this. This is my own views. So yeah, this is the Flirc Raspberry Pi 4 case. What's different about it over ordinary cases is that I'm just going to unbox it quickly. Is that it's made of aluminium, which means that there have been reports that the Raspberry Pi 4 is getting quite hot, especially if you don't use a heat sink or a fan. And once it gets to about 80 degrees, the CPU will start being throttled so that it will slow down in order to cool itself down. What's good about this case is that it's made of aluminium, and as a result, it's got, if you look there, so it's got all the ports for the Raspberry Pi 4. Sorry, wrong way. And it's got because of that, it's got a bit there which is the heatsink. So the whole case is a heatsink, which you stick a thermal pad to your Raspberry Pi, and then what happens is when you put it in there, that part of the case will touch the thermal pad, and the whole case acts as a heatsink. And it's also got feet on it, feet on the bottom of the case. I'm not sure you can see it there. It's got feet to raise it up off the desk or whatever. So this will effectively should negate the need for a heatsink or a fan. I know from other channels like ETA Prime, this never gets hotter than about 62 degrees, I think. So yeah, that should do the job of not ever having to have a fan or a heatsink. So as I say, quick video that's just arrived. It was quite cheap as well. I think it was about £14. And yeah, that's it. So just a quick video to show that. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.